So, how many of you remember EFSANET? So, yes, yesterday, which was May 21st, they sent an official message on their platforms. This is their VIP platform, actually, for creators like us who content about them on YouTube and X. So, they released an official message yesterday saying that EFS official listing is going to be coming soon. And they said EFS will officially be listed on exchanges in June 2026, that is next month. And then the official live stream is going to be coming soon. And this live stream is going to talk about the EFS listing dates. It's going to also talk about the exchanges where EFS will be listed. It's also going to be talking about the EFS future development plans, the daily cryptocurrency market analysis, their investment opportunities, and trending coins. And they said this live stream is going to award viewers, that is streamers. So if you watch the live stream for more than 10 minutes, you're going to receive 5 EFS tokens for free. And then that is totally what they just said. And honestly, my own opinion is I don't really have hope in their listing. I don't. But there's no harm in staying positioned. So what you need to just do right now is to stay positioned for their live stream. Watch their live stream for about 10 minutes and you get 5 EFS for free. There is no guarantee that you can withdraw the 5 EFS instantly because we know that we have frozen EFS. Then the next thing you need to do is to the time for the daily live stream is it's listed here too. Then the next thing you need to do is to log into your EFSANET dashboard and sign in daily. So I'm just going to run you through, and that is all I kept saying yesterday, talking about their live stream, talking about their listing. And the live stream is going to be happening on 25th of May. That is the live stream. They'll be talking about starting their live stream on 25th of May, which is on Monday, and it's going to be covering those topics that I listed before, their listing time, the exchanges they'll be listing on, blah blah blah, and all that. So basically that's all. That is all. The next thing you need to do as someone who has been on EFSANET and who has frozen EFSANET is to log in daily to keep getting rewards for logging in. So I'm just going to log in and show you what the dashboard is. Right, I'm under the my profile, and all you need to do is every day is just to come down here and click on your tax center to see if they have any tax for you. Then once you click on tax center, all you need to do is to check in daily. I signed in yesterday. You come here for today's own and you click on check in, and then you sign in. That is just what you need to do for now, and it's be counting for you. Keep the streak going. Keep your sign-in streak going, and that's that. So that's all about EFSANET. Their listing is going to be in June 2026, according to what they said after pushing it from last year December. Now I say June 2026. I don't have high hopes on their listing, or if they're going to actually list at all. Then they said the live stream is going to be happening on the 25th of May, and it's going to be every day. I think it's going to be a countdown to, I don't know. Then you, as a streamer, we earn 5 EFS once you stream or join the live stream on those days. And then there is no promise of you being able to withdraw your 5 EFS because remember we have frozen EFS. So that's that. Remember to stay subscribed to my vlog channel for updates as this, and remember to leave me comments, ask questions in the comment section. I will definitely respond every time. Remember to also join the Telegram community because that is where updates drops back to back as they hot. So see you on that update, and bye for now.